Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is Osakwinense channel. So in today's video I'll be walking you through how you can actually set up a list, how you can create a list on Getresponse so that you can start your email marketing business. And if this is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, my name is Osakwinense once again. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the notification bell to all, so once I upload a new video on my YouTube, then YouTube will get to notify you that I have uploaded a new video. So please guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and use that to encourage me for giving you content like this, because you won't get some of this content that I'm giving to you guys for free here. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on social media. Just search Osakwinense on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and you get to connect with me. So guys, in today's video I'll be walking through how you can create a list, how you can create a list on your Getresponse account. So if you have not set up, if you have not signed up on Getresponse, there is a link at the description down below. Use the link to sign up on Getresponse and try Getresponse for 30 days. And within the period of your 30 days, you are going to get all their premier features completely free. Then when you try it and see if it's what you can use, then you can go on and upgrade your account to a premier member. So if you have not signed up on Getresponse, there is a link at the description down below, so click the link and sign up right now. And when you have signed up on Getresponse, this is how your Getresponse dashboard is going to look like. This is exactly how it's going to look like. Then once you sign up, then move your mouse to contact. You can as well use the tools and you can see contact. So but we go here, you click on contact. You click on contact because we are going to create a new list. So when you click on contact, you can see this list, this Getresponse account. I have not created any list actually because this is a default list. So what you're going to do is click on create list. Click on create list, then give your list a name, your list name. And make sure when you are giving your list name, don't put, there should not be any space in between, so you make everything compile together. I can give my list name and everything should be in small letter. Let me give my list name. You can see, you can use your name, you can use whatever, just make sure you use something you won't forget. So see my own, I put Osakwinense, then click on create and your list should be created. You can see down below that our list has been successfully created. As you can see, it has been created. So you can see that our list has been successfully created. So what you're going to do right now is to go to setting, then you see these three icons here. Look at three icons here. You can see it right here, three icons here. Then click on settings. Click on settings. You can see, then you come to this surface to configure your list settings. So here you can see your list name. You have created your list, so there's no need changing this list. Do not change it. Your contact will see this when they subscribe and unsubscribed list. So your subscriber, this is what I'm going to see. So you do not need to change the name, so you leave it at this name. Then what is your list title? Your list title, you can put in anything. You can as well put your name, or whatever. Let me put this. You can see you can put whatever you want on this list title, but I prefer I put the same thing so that I won't forget. So I'll put the same thing. So you leave it. Then the description, what do you want to put on your description? This description means when somebody subscribes to your list, at the down below they are going to see this description. Maybe if you don't want to stay on my list anymore, you can unsubscribe from my list or whatever. So I will put this a welcome to my list. Welcome to my list. Here I will be showing you how to make money online. So you can just put something that is very simple, so when they subscribe they are going to see all of this description. So just put something that is very simple. So category, what category do you want your list to be? What category? See, we will have a lot of category: agency, art and entertainment, alternative, communication, education and all that. So but in my own case I'm going to pick internet marketing. So I pick internet marketing. Language, what language do you want to pick? In my own case I'm going to choose English. If you're not from English country, you can choose your country language. You can choose the language you want your subscriber to read your emails or whatever, but in my own case I'm going to choose English. I'm going to choose English. Yes, a show postcode address in message footer, that is below your email, at the footer, that is at the down below of your email. People are going to see this address. You see, people are going to see this address, so you can turn it on. When you turn it on, meaning that when people subscribe they're going to see your address, and it is very important to turn this on so that people can see your address if you have a physical office or whatever. But if you don't have any physical office, or you feel like you don't want people to know your address, you can always turn it off. So I've turned my own off right now, so when people subscribe to my list they won't see that particular address because I've turned it off. So if you have a logo, this is where you can upload your logo. All you need to do is drag and drop, or you select from your computer. So here is where you can upload the logo, but right now I don't have a logo to upload. So right here you need to enter a website address that the logo will link to. If you have a website that you have this logo, let's assume you have a website or your blog, and on your blog or your website you have your logo there, then you need to input that website address right here. You need to put the website address right here, but right now I don't want to input any of my website or blog address. So if you don't have any website or blog, you can leave this place completely empty. So once you have successfully done all of this, then you can save general setting. Then you save. See general settings saved. Look at it right here. It has been saved. Now we go to subscription, and you click on this subscription, then send subscription notification. If you want Getresponse to keep on sending you notification of people subscribe to your list, you can turn it on right here. You can turn it on. So whenever someone subscribes to your list, in this particular list, you'll be getting subscription. But in my own case, I would prefer to turn it off, because you know it's kind of boring and disturbing. Every time you'll be receiving email, and sometimes you'll be getting some 10 notification a day, 20, no IT. So in my own case, I would prefer to turn it off. But if you want to turn yours on, you can easily turn it on right here, but I turn my own off. So here, require additional information. Now if you want double opt-in, if you want people to double opt into your list, you can turn this on, but I won't encourage you to do all of this. So it is better you just turn everything off. You turn them off, so no need turning all those things, those buttons on. Block subscription, disable plan HTML from sign up. So leave it this way, the way it is. Leave it that way, the way it is. Then you can preview your page. Confirm page. Here is where you can preview your page and see what you have done so far. You can see subscribe. Assuming you have a logo, this is exactly where your logo is going to appear. But right now we don't have a logo. So if you have a logo, you can upload your logo over there. Then this way your logo is going to show. You can see, Osaku, thank you for subscribing. Your subscription has been confirmed and your email address also have been added to list. So here is it, Osaku Nancy. Hey, welcome to the list. Here I will show you how to make money online. So you can see that is how it's going to look like when you preview it right here. So in this place, page your contact see after they opt-in, this is what they are going to see. So it's Getresponse. But assuming you have a custom URL link that you have linked to your domain, to your logo, you can also use it. So you can leave all of this right this way, leave it, then save subscription settings. You save it, you see subscription settings saved. Then we go to the last one, confirmation message. You click on the confirmation message. So confirmation message, which message format should we send? Which message format should we send? You can leave it this way, HTML or plain text, but I will advise you to leave it this way, HTML subject. So you can always change this if you want. You can always change it if you want. Whatever you want to change here, you can always change it. Just click on any one that you want. Please verify your subscription and all that, but this you're going to leave it at please confirm your subscription. Confirm your subscription, leave it that way. From address, this is the email address that you have used to sign up on Getresponse, so you should as well leave it this way. Then reply to address. Reply to address is the same thing, you also leave it that way. So that is how you should do that. Then default template, body template, default template, what do you want to use? Are you giving them an in-book? Are you giving them a template? Are you giving them a free gift? So whatever you are giving them, you choose the body template here, and the Getresponse have all the template that you actually want right here. So in my own case, let's assume I want to give out an in-book. Then I will say I will pick in-book request. Pick in-book request. So once you have done all of this, you see you have successfully set up you have successfully created your email list on Getresponse. You see the request I've picked. This is the body template test. This is how the test is going to look like. You can modify this. If you want to give your subscriber an in-book, you can simply modify this. So that is how to successfully create your list and Getresponse. And once you have successfully done that, you can confirm, saved and confirm message. See, confirmation message saved. It has been successfully saved. So you can see that your list has been created and successfully done the setting. So now we go back to our list to see your list. So here we will come back to our list. You see, here is your list. Everything has been successfully done. Everything has been successfully done. So guys, that is how to create an email list in Getresponse. So guys, if you have a question for me concerning this video, concerning this tutorial, drop your question at the description down below, and I'll be so happy to respond to your question. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and turn the notification bell to all. So once I upload a new video, YouTube will get to notify you that I upload a new video. Because with this tutorial, I'll be making a series of video tutorial on Getresponse. On my next video, I'm going to make a review how to set up your autoresponder with Getresponse. So subscribe to my channel and encourage me for doing this, and don't forget to like this video. So guys, see you next time, and love you, and bye bye.